Hey Insiders! Just in case you missed them, here's an overview of some of our favorite new updates to Insightly released between February and April 2023. Insightly reports now offer field-to-field filtering, letting you compare the values of two fields of the same field type. This lets you make more informed decisions by analyzing and identifying critical relationships between different data points in your reports. For example, a task report can filter all tasks with a date completed field value greater than the date due field value, which will show all tasks that were completed after their due date. Next, a couple enhancements to Insightly's marketing automation capabilities. Now you can schedule Insightly marketing emails in batches to better manage resources and potentially reduce the risk of emails being flagged as spam or blocked by email filters. More effectively track content and social campaign performance by viewing detailed UTM data stored in your lead, contact, and prospect records. And, of course, more reliably email even your least engaged customers with transactional sending to improve the deliverability of legal notices, shipping confirmations, internal company emails, invoices, password reset emails, critical system changes that require action, and terms of service changes. Finally, as part of our April update, you can save time and reduce human error by cloning organizational records via the Actions drop-down menu. Prevent errors and streamline sales workflows by enabling lead validation rules. This allows admins to write formulas to verify that certain conditions are met before records are saved. Insightly can automatically run and verify these rules for leads before they become opportunities for your sales team. Last but not least, enterprise Insightly users can now test and explore Insightly features with sandboxes. This much-anticipated update lets you create a flexible copy of your existing CRM, Insightly Marketing, or Insightly Service instance, make changes and test features without putting your actual account at risk or disrupting your team. Look forward to more detail, including a complete demo of the functionality in a future edition of Insightly Insights. Insightly is always focused on adding more value with new features and enhancements. If you want to learn more about what's new with Insightly, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.